Welcome back to our channel. Today the Tata Motors has redefined excellence with the 2025 Tata Harrier Hybrid, setting a new benchmark in the SUV segment. This hybrid variant is a testament to Tata's commitment to sustainability and innovation, combining power, efficiency, and style in a single package. The 2025 Harrier Hybrid retains its bold and muscular design, with futuristic updates such as sharper LED headlights, a redesigned grille, and enhanced aerodynamic elements that exude sophistication. Under the hood, the Harrier Hybrid boasts a revolutionary powertrain, a combination of a refined diesel engine and an advanced electric motor. This setup ensures remarkable fuel efficiency and a seamless driving experience, catering to urban and long-distance travelers. The hybrid system's regenerative braking technology adds an eco-friendly edge, while the smooth transitions between power sources provide optimal performance and reduced emissions. Inside, the Harrier Hybrid offers a luxurious cabin packed with cutting-edge technology. The larger touchscreen infotainment system, integrated with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, elevates connectivity, while the advanced driver assistance features enhance safety. Plush seating, premium materials, and increased cabin space make every journey comfortable and enjoyable. Tata has also equipped the Harrier Hybrid with a robust suspension system and terrain response modes, ensuring superior handling and off-road capabilities. With an extended range and reduced carbon footprint, the 2025 Tata Harrier Hybrid appeals to eco-conscious buyers without compromising performance. This SUV is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of innovation, sustainability, and premium driving experience.